beautiful. Hello my lovely friends and families, how y'all doing? I hope you guys have a productive day. Happy Monday to y'all. You already know. Guys, does this thing ever happen to you? You know, when you come outside, you saw your tire went down, you had a flat tire, and then when you come inside your car, you have a tire pressure in your car. So guess what? For the ladies, this is for you, okay? I know you guys always need help sometimes. You need your hubby or your boyfriend or someone to help you fix the tire. But guess what? I bought this gun, and this gun, it's gonna help you out to fix this solution, okay? This tire problem. All you need, it's so easy, it's safe for you to use before you take it to the tire place to get it fixed. Trust me, it's work, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, okay? The gun is actually at the back of my car, so I'm gonna drive out so I can show you guys how to fix it. Ladies, this is for you, all right? You can do it. You don't have to rely on your man to do stuff for you all the time. We are strong, we are powerful, we gotta be independent and know how to get stuff done, okay? Alright, let me show you, okay? I'm gonna drive out so I can show you guys how to get this done quick, fast and easy, okay? My pressure tire, it's PSI, it's 32. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? Just take a look at it closely, all right? You press here. Press it twice. You press here. $32. Mine is 32, so here you go. That's it right here, all right? You see, actually my tire went actually down. You see that? It has a nail on it, guys, you see? So now I'm gonna show you guys the quick way how to get this fixed for the ladies, the beautiful ladies out there, okay? You gotta do it by yourself. Sometimes you don't need people to help you. You gotta be independent, all right? So my own is PSI 32. So that's my pressure tire. So that's what I'm looking for, so I can get this fixed. So first, you're gonna take this one first, okay? Gonna take it out first, all right? See that? So guys, this is very important, okay? Quick and easy method how to fix this tire pressure. You push it inside. Push it right inside. Okay? Close it down. See that? Make sure it's right inside. Then my PSI for my tire, it's 32. So please don't stand close to it, okay? Because this tire might explode and you might get hurt or get killed. So stay away from it. Move a little far away so you won't get yourself hurt while you're fixing it. This is easy, guys, for all the ladies, man. You can get this thing done fast and easy. Before you take it to the tire shop to get it fixed, at least this will take you where you want to go, alright? So this is an easy method. I hope this video helped you out and it teaches you how to, put some pressure in your tire, alright? Guys, very important safety tip, okay? Do not stand in front of the tire. You need to stand in the corner, okay? Because you don't want to get yourself injured or killed, okay? And please stay away. Keep a little distance. Don't stand in front of it. Stand on the corner. You see the ear is actually coming out. So you just gotta give it like a couple minutes for it to get more air. Alright? So I hope this video will help you out for the ladies. For my beautiful ladies. You don't have to depend on people, you know. You gotta do your own shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you have to do. You gotta do it. See? It's so easy. See, the hair is actually coming out. See that? Stay a little distance away from it, okay? Because you don't want the tire to explode on you. So you have to really be cautious. Alright? You gotta be cautious. So at least this one gonna take me for my outing where I wanna go. You know, it's better. So I don't wanna get stuck on the way. See? It's so easy. Very easy method. Very easy. So I'm gonna give it like a couple more minutes. I mean, I can't stand in front of it because I don't want to get hurt. So you need to stay. Oh, it's so quick and easy. That's it. See that? You're good to go. Alright. You turn it off. That's how you turn it off. You click it. So you're good to go. And this is the battery, guys. Alright? This is the battery.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Alright guys, well, I'm heading out now to the tire place. While I already put some air on this tire, so I hope this one gonna take me to my destination. At least this gonna help me out a lot. Trust me guys, this tire gun is the real deal. You guys need to get it. You can get it from Walmart. You can get it at Amazon. You know, just get it. It's easy. Very easy to use, you know. I don't have to wait for someone to help me to get my tire fixed. At least this one gonna help me to take me where I'm at, so that they can help me to check the nail, if I have a nail in the tire, or if I need a new tire, then they can get it fixed for me. But at the meantime, this will help. See, I can drive my car now until I reach to my destination, guys. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll catch up with you later. I'm enjoying the weather, man. This is beautiful weather, Mother Nature, you know. So I'll catch up with you guys later, alright? Alright, ciao. Bye.